wabarakatuh. I am presenter 1. I'll present about the production of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates compounds that contains carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Okay. Simple carbohydrates, also known as sugar, and complex carbohydrates. Complex carbohydrates such as starch and fibers. Carbohydrates is a primary source of energy used to fuel our body. Okay, carbohydrates can found in grains, breads, legumes, fruits, vegetables, and milk. Okay, if two sugar combines, it will form a disaccharide. Basic unit of carbohydrate is monosaccharides. Okay, simple sugar of monosaccharides there are glucose, fructose, and galactose. Okay, we will look at the glucose. Glucose ni as a blood sugars, which is most important carbs that will fuel in our body. It was produced in plants by the process of photosynthesis. Okay, fructose pula, dia adalah monosaccharides that taste sweeter than glucose. It can be found in the fruits. Manakala galactose pula a part of lactose. Okay, kalau kompleks polysaccharide pula, dia adalah longer chains of monosaccharides. They made up of many monosaccharide linked in chains. So, short chain of 3 to 10 monosaccharide are called oligosaccharide. Okay, oligosaccharide ni example dia adalah raffinose that can be found in the beans and other legumes. Okay, they cannot digest by enzymes in the human stomach and small intestine. So, the oligosaccharide will pass the undigested substance in the large intestines. Okay, the bacteria also digest the oligosaccharides that will produce the gas. The gas that are produced by the intestinal microflora. Dia boleh cause abdominal discomfort and flatulence. Alright. Okay. Glycogen pula, glycogen ni dia adalah storage form in animal. Dia boleh juga kalau dalam human dia dipanggil source of energy. Okay, dia will store kalau dalam human dia store in the muscles and in our liver. Okay. Okay, kita kepada starch pula. Okay, starch ni dia storage pula. Okay, starch ni storage form of carbs in plants. Betul lah kan? Lepas tu starch ni terbagi pada dua pula. Dia ada amylose dengan amylopectin. Amylose ni long straight chain. Kalau amylopectin dia branch. Okay, last sekali fiber ni. Okay, fiber ni dia carbohydrates and lignins that cannot be digested by human enzymes. So, fiber ni dia ada dua. Dia ada soluble dengan insoluble. Yes. Kalau soluble macam biasa, dia boleh viscous solution when placed in water. Kalau insoluble ni macam biasa, it cannot dissolve in water.
Yes.
Thank you. We will proceed to the presenter.
My name is Nur Anis Najiha, and the second presenter, I will present about carbohydrate in digestive tract. So majority of the disaccharide and starch digestion occurs in the small intestine. So how about sugar and starch? So we know that carbohydrate digestion will start from mouth, whereas there is a salivary amylase that will digest food, whereas salivary amylase breaks starch into small compound, and then when the food is come down to the stomach, the salivary amylase will become inactive because of acid in the stomach. So in the small intestine, the pancreatic amylase is released. So then from the starch, we break down into maltose. So starch is polysaccharide while maltose is disaccharide, and it will complete when in the wall of the intestine will secrete the enzyme, and it will complete into it will break down the maltose, sucrose and lactose into the glucose, fructose and galactose. So next is lactose intolerance. As we know, lactase decrease by the age, and some of people does not have ability to digest lactase. So then, the lactose intolerance, what is meant by lactose intolerance is inability to digest lactose because of reduction in the level of the enzyme lactase. So, the third one is, the fourth is fiber. Fiber cannot be digested by human digestive enzymes. So it maintains healthy, it maintains the healthy
bowel function.
It will maintain healthy bowel function. So there is soluble fibers which are pectins and gums. So insoluble fiber, which is the wheat, it increases the amount of the material in the intestine. So carbohydrate in the body. So the function of carbohydrate is to provide energy, but the main function of the glucose is the source of energy. So monosaccharide galactose is an important molecule in the nervous system. So when the galactose plus with glucose will produce lactose. So lactose in women who we will produce the breast milk. So the metabolism. What is metabolism? Metabolism is once glucose reaches the cells, it is metabolized to produce energy. So how quickly blood glucose levels rise after a meal, it is referred to the glycemic response. So that's all from me. I will pass the next presenter.
Hi, I'm a presenter.
Hi.
So, glucose metabolism. Glucose metabolism have a 4 stage. Stage 1 is glycolysis. Stage 2 occur in the mitochondria. Stage 3 citric acid cycle, and stage 4 electron transport chain. Firstly, glycolysis. Glycolysis is the glucose breakdown into pyruvate. 6-carbon glucose broken into 2,3 carbon pyruvate, and 2 molecules of ATP is generated for each molecule of glucose. And next is occur in mitochondria. 1 carbon is removed from pyruvate and leaving 2 carbon that form acetyl-CoA. Next, acetyl-CoA then enter the third stage, that is citric acid cycle, and also known as a Krebs cycle. Acetyl-CoA combine with 4 carbon molecule and form oxaloacetate. Then oxaloacetate derive to form 6 carbon molecules. Next is electron transport change. Electron transport change involves a series of molecules. Most of each are protein. The reactions of cellular respirations are central to all energy producing process in the body. Next is diabetes. There are 3 types of diabetes: type 1, type 2, and gestational diabetes. Firstly is diabetes. I want to explain about diabetes mellitus. Diabetes mellitus is characterized by the high blood glucose level due to the lack of the insulin. Then type 1, diabetes type 1. Diabetes type 1 is usually diagnosed from the age of 13. It triggers disease is unknown, but believed to be autoimmune system. Autoimmune system is the immune system that destroys the insulin secreting cell. Next is diabetes type 2. Diabetes type 2 is a more common form of diabetes. Type 2 insulin secretions may be low, normal, and even elevated, but blood glucose levels are high because body cells are insensitive to the effects of insulin. And then large amount of insulin are therefore required to allow cell to take enough glucose to meet their energy needs. And the lastly is gestational diabetes. A third form of diabetes called gestational diabetes sometimes occur in women during pregnancy. And lastly is diabetes symptoms. Diabetes symptoms is excessive thirst, frequent urination occur, and then lastly weight loss. This is occur because of the blood glucose level rise so higher and kidney excrete glucose. That's all from me.